Hello everyone, let's dive into the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM, specifically the 48GB kit with two 24GB sticks running at 6000 MHz with CL36 timings. This memory is designed for those looking to push their Intel 700 series systems to the limit. First impressions are always important, and the Vengeance RGB doesn't disappoint. The modules feature 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs, creating a vibrant and customizable lighting experience. The panoramic light bar ensures the colors are visible from almost any angle, making it a centerpiece in any build. Beyond aesthetics, performance is key. This kit is rated for 6000 MHz with timings of 36-44-44-96 at 1.4V. The onboard voltage regulation is a welcome addition, offering more precise and stable overclocking compared to relying solely on motherboard control. Corsair's ICUE software unlocks the full potential of this feature, allowing for fine-tuning and monitoring of the memory's performance. One of the standout features is the support for custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles. Through ICUE, users can create and save their own XMP profiles, tailoring the memory's performance to specific applications or tasks. This level of customization is a game-changer for those who demand peak efficiency in different scenarios. The ICUE software itself is comprehensive, offering a wide range of preset lighting profiles and the ability to create custom effects. The software is intuitive, making it easy to synchronize the memory's lighting with other Corsair components for a cohesive and visually stunning system. In terms of compatibility, this kit is specifically designed for Intel 700 series motherboards. Installation is straightforward, and the XMP profile can be enabled in the BIOS for instant performance gains. For those who want to push the limits further, the onboard voltage regulation and custom XMP profiles provide the tools needed for advanced overclocking. Overall, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 48GB kit is a top-tier memory solution that combines stunning aesthetics with exceptional performance and advanced customization options. It's a worthwhile investment for gamers, content creators, and anyone looking to maximize the potential of their Intel-based system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.